Namaste and welcome to this essential guide on the 5 foundational breathing techniques that prepare you for the transformative journey of pranayama. Before diving deep into advanced practices like Nadi Shodhana, Bhramari or Kapalabhati, it is crucial to reconnect with our breath, the bridge between body, mind and energy. These 5 breathing methods are not just exercises, they are the preparatory stages that stabilize, sensitize, and awaken your pranic body, allowing you to absorb deeper benefits from your pranayama practice. First, natural breathing. The purpose is cultivating awareness of your natural breath. How to practice? Sit comfortably or lie in Shavasana. Observe your spontaneous breath without trying to control it. Feel the breath entering the nostrils, cool on inhalation, warm on exhalation. Slowly shift your awareness to your nostrils, back of your throat, to your chest, then to your lungs, then to your rib cage, then abdomen. How it is connected to pranayama? Natural breathing is the entry point. It develops witness consciousness, grounding your awareness and helping you observe the subtle changes that arise during more structured pranayams. A steady mind begins with steady observation. Second, abdominal breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. The purpose is awakening the diaphragm and accessing the lower lobes of the lungs. How to practice? Sit comfortably in any cross-leg posture or lie in Shavasana. Place your right hand on your navel, left on your chest. Inhale deeply, let the right hand rise while the left remains still. Exhale gently, observe the abdomen sinking. Breathe only through the nose. Keep the chest and shoulders relaxed. The psychological benefits of doing abdominal breathing is it massages internal organs, stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, it improves blood oxygenation. What is its connection to pranayama? Without a responsive diaphragm, techniques like Nadi Shodhana and Ujjayi will be shallow. Abdominal breathing creates a strong foundation by stabilizing your breath and anchoring your attention to the lower belly, also linked to the Swadhisthana chakra. Third, thoracic breathing. The purpose is activating the middle lobes of the lungs and chest expansion. How to practice this? Sit or lie down comfortably. Begin by observing your chest area. Inhale, expand the ribcage outward and upward. Exhale, feel the chest contracting as air exits. Do not involve the abdomen. How it is connected to pranayama? This type of breathing trains you to consciously use the ribcage muscles. In advanced pranayams involving breath retention or kumbhak, thoracic strength is vital. It prepares you for deeper lung engagement without inducing stress. Fourth, clavicular breathing. The purpose is accessing the uppermost lobes of the lungs. How to practice this? Perform thoracic breathing first. At the peak of your chest expansion, inhale slightly more to lift the collarbones and shoulders. Exhale slowly in reverse. Release neck and shoulders, then your rib cage. How it is connected to pranayama? Although clavicular breathing is inefficient when done alone, understanding this zone is essential. It prevents unconscious tension during full yogic breathing and teaches you to consciously relax the upper chest, vital when integrating breath control during emotional or energetic release in pranayama. Fifth, yogic breathing, full three-part breathing. The purpose is integrating all three, abdominal, thoracic and clavicular, for a complete breath cycle. How to practice this? Inhale deeply, abdomen expands, chest rises, collarbone lifts. Exhale fully, collarbones drops, chest contracts, abdomen sinks. The entire process should be smooth and wave-like. How it is connected to pranayama? This is your final checkpoint before advanced practices. Yogic breathing increases your lung capacity, resets poor breathing habits, and sets the rhythm required for practices involving breath retention. It is also excellent for emotional regulation and nervous system balance. One practice note: once you gain full awareness of your breath, clavicular breathing will eventually be dropped. Your natural breath will evolve into a calm combination of abdominal and thoracic movement. This is the ideal base state to begin structured pranayama. Before touching the subtle energy flow of pranayama, you must build an intimate relationship with your breath. These 5 breathing styles are not just techniques, but gateways. Mastering them ensures your journey into pranayama is safe, effective, and truly transformative. In the next video, we will begin with Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, the great channel purifier. But before that, make these 5 breath practices a part of your daily sadhana. Namaste and thank you for joining.